Today's classrooms are changing fast. Fewer teachers are teaching more students, and each day brings a new digital distraction. Unfortunately, the current solutions are expensive, hard to navigate, or limited in usefulness. Now, more than ever, teachers and students need a new way to connect. The answer? Squarecap. Squarecap is designed to be easy to use. Teachers and students log in using any Wi-Fi device with their existing school username and password. No extra hardware required and no time wasted uploading a student roster. Teachers can then ask questions using free response, numerical, and multiple choice formats. Students receive instant feedback, reinforcing right answers and correcting the wrong ones. And with Squarecap's innovative seat map, areas of misunderstanding are easily targeted for further instruction. Educators upload grades with a click of a button. Squarecap also allows students to ask questions anonymously, encouraging participation without intimidation. The class then prioritizes questions in real time. Teaching is now a conversation again. Finally, Squarecap's unique attendance verification feature reliably and easily tracks attendance of large classes. Teachers immediately know who's in class and who's not. With all these tools, it's easy to see how Squarecap helps teachers and students learn together better than ever. Sign in today and see how we can help every student earn a Squarecap.